Her Story with Grace and Peace Joanne seeks to retell the stories of women who were divinely called and empowered to do great things. Many of them rose to the occasion, and a few, very famously, did not. Often the tragedies and triumphs in their lives are missed, their accounts sidelined, and their portrayals given from perspectives that dismiss the honor and dignity they deserve. Excavating their narratives from millennia of obfuscation, we now meet the freshly restored, valiant, vivid, and sometimes even villainous women of the Bible. Her story offers a deep appreciation for God's work and call in and through women in the Scriptures, and encourages you and me to take practical steps towards recognition and support of women in all levels and varieties of ministry and spiritual leadership today. Subscribe to Her Story with Grace and Peace Joanne, and meet a woman from the Bible each week.